Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again, Mark Johnson. I'm here with another brand new video on buying fake followers for your Instagram account. Now, my previous video was great. You guys loved it. Go check that out if you haven't seen it before. I run you through the process of buying these really cheap followers on a site called SMM Followers. Now, that site has updated a little bit since then, and that's why I'm making this video. In this video today, we're going to go and buy followers for 3 different Instagram accounts, and we're going to buy a range of their cheapest followers to their most to quite expensive followers, and that's going to give you guys a good idea of the quality of followers. You can check out these pages after I've bought them, and if you're watching this 6 months after this video is posted, you can then go check the pages, make sure they still have the followers, or if they've lost the followers, you know not to buy those ones. So I'm basically just giving you the tools so that you can select the correct followers to buy for your Instagram account, because that's what a lot of you guys were actually questioning, is what ones do I buy, because they have like, you know, about 100 different types of followers you can get. So we're going to go through, do a bit of an experiment and see which ones you should buy. Let's get stuck into the video. Okay, so this is the first page we're going to buy followers for. This is the second page we're going to buy followers for. And this is the third page we're going to buy followers for. Okay, so those are the pages that we're going to be testing. Now, one of them is my friend, and the other 2 are just subscribers that messaged me on Instagram asking for some followers. And I thought, why not? You know, I'll use their accounts as an experiment and buy them some followers and just see how it unfolds, see what sort of followers we can buy at what prices. And you know, you can look back on these accounts. I'll leave the information in the description. You can look back on them, say if you're watching this video in 6 months, and see if they still have the followers, if they've lost some, or you know, and then you can make your decision on what type of followers to buy for your account from there. Now, one thing I do want to say, because I can already see the comments, people going, oh, you buy fake followers, it's going to ruin your account, it's going to ruin your Shopify store. Now, let me just tell you, there are plenty of big accounts out there that started off with fake followers. Now, what fake followers will do is ruin your engagement, okay? Because the Instagram algorithm works in a certain way, whereas when you post something, it shows it to your followers, and then if they all like and comment on it and stuff, then it shows it to the rest of your followers, and then it shows to the explore page. When you have fake followers, they're not going to be engaging, so it does ruin your organic growth. But for something like social proofing a company Instagram page, you know, you're going to be getting followers from the ads that you're running. So you don't need the organic growth. But if you are trying to become an influencer on Instagram, posting great quality content, I do not recommend buying fake followers. Other than that, if you just want it for social proofing your company Instagram pages for your Shopify dropshipping stores, this is perfect for you. Okay guys, so we're going to buy followers for this first account. Remember, watch the video, my first video, first link in the description, on how to put money into your account on SMM Followers and how to just set your account up, because that video is very important. I'm not going to run through it again. I'm just going to buy the followers for these accounts and see what happens. So watch that first video, link in the description. So we've added our link. We're going to go, you've got a whole bunch you can select here, different Instagram followers. We're going to go SMM Follows promo, and so you can buy all kinds of things here. We're going to go best Instagram followers, stable, $2 per 1,000. So let's go with that. Again, just add that link. Quantity 10,000. And that's going to be $19.20. And let's submit that. Alright, for our next page, we're going to go Instagram followers guaranteed. Instagram followers 20k a day, $4.20 per 1,000. This one looks pretty good, so we're going to put this on the next account. So up to 500k, $4.20 per 1,000. Paste the link. Quantity, go 10,000. And that's a charge of $42. So as I said guys, you can get really cheap followers off this. You can get it for 98 cents per 1,000. But I really want to test to see if these more expensive followers are better quality. So that's why I'm paying for the much more expensive followers. So that's $42. Instagram followers guaranteed, 500k, 36 hours, 20k a day, and submit. See guys, as you can see here, Instagram followers, no refill. I suspect this is the type where they give you the 10,000 followers and then it just starts dropping and you lose followers each day. So that's Instagram followers with no refill, and you can get that for as cheap as 33 cents per 1,000. So if you just wanted the social proof for maybe like a week or so while you're starting your Shopify store and you're expecting to get new followers as you run Facebook ads, this might be the one for you. 33 cents per 1,000, that means $3.30, and you can get 10,000 followers. But we're not going to go with that one. I really want to test out a much more expensive follower. So I'm going Instagram followers targeted, and it's come up saying real followers here, $8.45 per 1,000, real ads. So if that means they run ads, I have no idea. Let's go with that one. $8.45 per 1,000. So speed 500 to 1,000 daily. Oh, this really sounds very sketchy. I doubt they're running ads, and I don't think this is going to work, so we're going to go with a different one. We're going to go Instagram followers guaranteed, and we're just going to find the most expensive one on here. Okay, so Instagram followers, maximum 50,000, automatic refills, $8.40 per 1,000. Alright, we're simply going to go with that. And we want to put in 10,000. That's $84. Alright. We've got just enough money in our account. So that, again, that is Instagram followers guaranteed. With Instagram followers, maximum 50,000, automatic refill for 50 days at $8.40 per 1,000. So these are, from what I can see, the most expensive ones. And we're just going to submit that order. And we shall see. This is, I've never bought followers this expensive. I usually buy the cheap ones off here, and it works, and you lose a few followers, and you know, just by the time you start running the Facebook ads, you gain a couple followers. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens with this, if we do lose followers or if we don't lose them, or who knows, this might just be a waste of money. But that was $84 for 10,000, which is very expensive considering you can get 10,000 for $3.30 on this site. Alrighty, so that order has been received. Now it's just a waiting game. Let's check these accounts and see what happens. Okay guys, so as you can see here, these are the orders that we're currently processing. And the first one, which is Corey, his is already processing. These ones are still pending, and I'm guessing that's because we bought the very expensive ones, so they're probably getting priority. But that's the orders. That's where you can check up on them to see how they're going. And yeah. Alright, let's wait a bit and see what happens. So it's the next day now, guys. 2 of the accounts have almost reached the 10,000 followers. And Corey, which was the most expensive followers, still haven't had very many. So we'll see how long it takes for him to get some. Okay, guys, so it's a week later, and our most expensive followers have been fully delivered. And as you can see, there's been no drop whatsoever. And this account has actually lost a few followers. As you can see, he's lost about 2,000. This account has stayed relatively the same. Now guys, I wanted to run one more test. I'm going to buy followers for my dog's account. We're going to buy the absolute cheapest followers we can get, 29 cents per 1,000. As you can see, the ones I've selected. This is the account we'll be buying them for. And we're going to buy 10,000. So you can get 10,000 followers for $2.90. They're the cheapest followers on there. And we're going to just see. I guarantee they'll be crap, but we'll just see how they are. This is going to be an interesting test. Alright, so let's submit that and see what happens. Guys, okay, what's really interesting about this is it delivered the followers almost instantly. It's only an hour or two later and we're already up to our 10,000 followers. I'm going to give it a week just to see how this pans out and see how many we lose, if we lose any. Okay guys, so as you can see, all good things must come to an end. It's a couple of days later now, a little over a week, and we've lost a significant amount of followers on this account. So the cheapest ones aren't always the best. We're down to 2,000 followers from 10. If you want some quick social proof, this might be the go, but otherwise I don't recommend. If you are going to buy fake followers, you need to have your account on public. If it's on private, the followers will not work. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I had fun making this video. It was interesting to see the different prices and the different followers and quality of followers you can get. I'd love to make another video on this, buying all kinds of fake engagement like likes and say comments, all kinds of different things. So if you want to see a video on that, drop a comment down below and I'll make a video on that. I think that would be really cool. So just let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. And thanks again for watching. Catch us in the next one.